In this video, we will show you how to replace your fog lamp assembly. On this Chevy Tahoe, you'll have one of these on each side front of the vehicle. Let's get into it. All right, friends, let's make our way underneath the corner of the vehicle. Start disconnecting your fog lamp. We're going to use an angled pick for this and remove the wiring harness. Give it a quick check for corrosion, and you can set that wiring aside. Now, once you have that out of the way, continue on to your two 10mm headed mounting nuts. As you remove this one, keep in mind there's nothing else holding the fog lamp assembly into the lower air deflector. Now we can remove the fog lamp assembly. Let's get ready to install our fog lamp assemblies. You'll find on the back side of the assembly itself, you have two studs where your two mounting nuts are supposed to go. You also have this little wing nut down here. That's to adjust the beam on the fog lamp. Let's take this and put it in place from the front of the air deflector. Slide it right on through. Start on each of your two mounting nuts and snug them up. Once you're sure both of those are tight, continue on with your wiring harness. Make sure you have the little locking tab facing down while you slide it into place. Press it in, listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Do the same exact thing on the other side of the vehicle. Okay, friends, once you got everything back together, make sure you test the fog lamp functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.